So first of all, any website will be promoted. The major one is called the SEO URL structure, the first option. Second one, your competitor analysis. So based on the website, what you're providing for, health tips, movie news, jobs, news, special offer, movie reviews. Based on your website category, you can check your competitor. Movie reviews. Our competitor will be Times of India, Reddit, Metacritic, and NDTV, Cinema Bell, and Rotten Motors, and The Hindu, and 123 Telugu. I've changed. Hindi movie reviews. What is our common competitor? Times of India, and Navabharat Times, Film Fair. Second competitor, Reddit. Repeating for 2 times. NDTV. Second time I will repeat. You know, rating data. Clear? Next one. 1, 2, 3. Start and repeat. Times of India. Film Beach. Guilt. Telugu 360. Tupagi. Sakshi. India Giz. And Samay.com. And API. Based on your search, you can show the common competitor. So what are the review or mentioned are Telugu or Hindi or English. You can focus by all kind of reviews set by the common competitors. Telugu movie reviews. These are the top 10 competitors. Coming to Hindi, we show the top 10 competitors. And coming to movie reviews, the top 10 competitors. Based on the competitors, you can promote by your option. This total will be here. This option. So which one? URL structure. Which Telugu movie reviews. So any company will be checked, find out by the your option by search by keyword. So anyone, health tips, food.inditv.com, health24.com, healthline, onlymyhealth.com, and webempty.com. Suppose you can promote by your health tips. These are the competitors. One-to-one, dietitian, reviews.com, new health, charlestown.com, the conversion, and the daily news, and the daily star.net. Based on the keyword, your competitor will be changed. These are all your competitors. Before studying any kind of keyword, to understand your competitor analysis, find out the 10 competitors. So the based on the competitor, you can work from your SEO structure. How do we get selected by the keywords based on the competitor? How can we select by the description? This all belongs to for based on the competitor analysis. See this one. 10 keys to health lifestyle in 2019. These are all the websites. And some people searching for like this also. Telugu health tips. Why? They're learning for Telugu also. See this one. telugusamaya.com, Telugu webdunia.com. We come to Telugu webdunia. So pinterest.com, Ariga, sutralu.com, telugu.news.news18.com. Same. Perfect tutorial.com. This all coming to your competitors based on the keywords. So which keyword you have to promote by your website? First of all, check your competitor analysis. First 10 competitor. So the base on you can start by your SEO structure. That is called keyword selection to start your promotion your website. So any competitor analysis based on the keyword, search on Google, check your top 10 competitors or top 20 competitors. This is mean by your competitor analysis particular website.